Yes, can I get a double cheeseburger, extra pickles, no mustard? What? You guys don't have burgers? What about fries? Oh, this is Dominoes. I'm gonna do a bike check. Bicycle check. First, I'll go with the Grips ODIs. They're gay. I have Colony Bull bars, painted them, made it look like call bars. I have a sweet stem off a Next bike. Have an Odyssey headset. Down here, I'm running the Fit FAF tires, tan wall, 2.25. I have a Demolition Bulimia front hub, laced with Alex 7-something rim. For frame, I got stereo treble. Very sexy, copper, awesome. Right here, I have the King Sexton seat. Very cushiony, very awesome, with a knife right here. Have the Mission post. I have Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, stock cranks. On the other side, I got King Static sprocket, Colt 510 chain, in the back. Another Fit FAF tan wall, 2.3, awesome. G-Sport, ratchet back hub, gold, 9 tooth, friggin' awesome. Well, that's all I have for today. Peace. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks, guys.